I'm Anil Kumar, and in these set of videos we are trying to explore how to count the number of outcomes in the game of cards. The question here is, determine the number of 5 card combinations out of a deck of 52 cards if there is exactly 3 aces and 2 queens. Now, in the deck of 52 cards, how many aces are there? We know we have 4 aces. And how many queens? We have 4 queens. Now what do we need? We need to select exactly 3 aces. So from 4 aces, we need to select 3 aces. And so when we say and, we need to multiply the 2, right? And 2 queens. And we need to select 2 queens. Right. So in doing so, we will get 5 cards, and that gives us 5 cards in all, correct? Now once you have these 5 cards with you, the order does not matter. Whether you select first an ace or a queen, it does not really matter. In the set of 5 cards, since order does not matter, it is a case of combination, correct? So that is how we understand that we need to do combination in this case, right? Combination. Since it is independent of order, right? Now, what are the combinations of getting 3 aces from 4, right? So we have in a game of cards, 52 cards have 4 aces. So from 4 aces, we need to select 3. So that is the first combination. That is for aces, right? Now in case of queens, from 4 queens, we need to make selection of 2. So 4C2 is the number of combination for the queens. Now when we say and, so both of these things should happen, right, together, so that and gives you multiplication. It is not or. So whenever we are using or, then you have to add them up. When we say and, you multiply them up. So we have our answer here, 4C3 times 4C2. So that is the answer, right? So that is equal to. So we can use calculator and find the answer. So it is, or you could, this one is simpler. So you can do 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 4 minus 3, which is 1 factorial, right? Times 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 4 minus 2, which is also 2. So it is 2 factorial, and that gives you here 1 factorial is 1, 3 factorial is 3 times 2, right? So we get 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial as the number 4. 4 factorial divided by 4 will give us 3 times 2. So that times 3 times 2 is 6. And what we get here as 24. So that is the answer. Or you could use the calculator, right? So let me show you how to use the calculator in this particular case. So we have 4C3. So 4 shift NCR function is right there. 4C3, that is the first part, times 4C2, and that is equal to 24, right? So what we get is our answer. So you could get this directly using the calculator, 24. So that is how we will be calculating in most of the videos. I hope the concept is clear. Now let's move on and try to solve some more questions relating to the game of cards. Thank you and all the best.